Let's see some commands in the file menu of Microsoft PowerPoint. As far as the file menu is concerned, you have discussed these commands earlier in Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel also. So these commands are not very different from Word and Excel. They are almost same. Let's see. First command is Home command. Home is the dashboard of Microsoft PowerPoint. It is showing us to choose a blank presentation. We can click option blank presentation and make a new presentation from here. If you want to choose any template, you can choose the design template from home, and it says I have got more themes also. You will click more themes and you will go to the online theme library of PowerPoint, okay, and choose any of these themes to create a slideshow in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, the next thing in the home is a pinned document and recent documents. You can choose any of them and open if you want to open it. Okay. The next option is about new. New is also same as home menu. You can choose the blank presentation. You can choose a presentation template to create a new file. Shortkey for new menu is Control N. Okay, you can choose these templates from shortkey also and create beautiful slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to open any document, you will click File and Open command, or you will press Ctrl O. It will take you to the Open dashboard. Here you can click Browse command to find out the PowerPoint presentations in your documents folder. For example, I've got many of the presentations. I can open any of these presentations by just clicking the name of the presentation and clicking Open button. It is taking a bit of time because these are online presentations, and this time I think internet is not working properly. The data on my laptop, mostly these files are on internet on my Microsoft Drive. That's why it is not working this time. I'm going to connect the network. Now you can choose any of the presentation and just click Open button. It will show you the topic or the presentation you have prepared in Microsoft PowerPoint. As I have discussed something about e-commerce management in Microsoft PowerPoint here. If you want to save the file, just click File and Save, or Ctrl S. You can also use the command File Save As. Both have same function. When you click any of them, you will go to save the file. Just click File Save and click Browse, and then you can choose the location for the files and type the name of the file. As this file is already saved, I'll change the name with e-commerce management 1. So it will make a duplicate copy of the file with the name e-commerce 1. If you want to print the file, you will get to go to File menu and click Print command, and here you will have options. As my printer is Epson 360. Print all pages, print the selection, print the current slide. Print the current slide will only print the slide that has been selected in front of you. If you choose print all slides, it will choose all of the 3 slides this presentation have. How it will print: full page slide, 1 slide, 2 slides, 3 slides per page. For example, I need to print 2 slides per page. It will print this in that way. If you want to print 6 slides per page, it will print in this way. You can choose any of the options by choosing the right way of printing. Normally we print 2 slides or 3 slides per page. Okay, 2 slides is better. Then you will go to print 1 side or print on both sides. If your printer allows to print on both sides, you can choose option print on both sides also. and just click print button. It will print the required data. I'm not going to print it. Then share. Share is to share your data by email to someone. Export. Export command is used to create the PDF of the PowerPoint file. Create PDF, and you'll go to create a PDF file over desktop. For example, I'll go to publish it, and then we'll move to desktop to see whether it has been published or not. This is your PDF file. It is showing us the same slides in PDF format, and it is opened in Google Chrome. Next option is file export. This is how to create a video of your files. Okay, you can choose create video, and then you will choose the option for video. For example, I want to create a 720 pixels video, and then create video, and you will choose the location to save the video. For example, I saved it on the desktop, and I will click save button. It will create a video presentation of my files. On my desktop, where is the desired video? It will create a video like this. It will create a MP4 video of your slides. Okay, and it will display the data in front of you. Now there is another option also, that is PPS, PowerPoint Show. Okay, this is find over here, create video, create GIF. You will go to save as and click browse, and you choose the option PowerPoint Show. PowerPoint Show, and then you will choose the location to save the files and click save. It will show you the PPS format of this file. PPS file will be saved automatically, and it will need no PowerPoint to run or execute. Okay, as we have seen that we have saved this video. This is our MP4 video. Video is playing in video player. It is not opening in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, in the similar way, PPS will run automatically without PowerPoint. Let's see, where is the PPS file? No, this is not the PPS. It is not showing us the PPS. Why? Let's see on its C drive, and then we'll go to user and choose the option desktop from here. This is your file, e-commerce management, and it is in PPS format. Now I used 3 different formats for that file. This is the PDF from file export. This is the PPS, PowerPoint show, from save as, and this is MP4 from file export. Okay. Now let's see the PPS file. It will run directly without opening PowerPoint. You have seen that it is in the form of show. Okay. This is PPS file, and after creating PPS, let's see, the last command is close. Close is used to close your PowerPoint show. The next option is accounts. You can sign in your Microsoft account here. As I have signed in my own Microsoft account, it will allow you to access your OneDrive. Feedback, you can give any feedback to Microsoft about PowerPoint, and options are by default, you can't change them. If you will change them, for example, if you want to change the proofing language, you will change the language. It will change impact whole PowerPoint and convert it to the language you have selected. Similarly, it contains some of options. If you change them, it will throw their impact overall software of Microsoft PowerPoint that may be or may not be good for you. That's why mostly we prefer not to change these options. These are set by Microsoft by default. Okay. In case of need, we can use them. For example, if we want to add some new commands to our menu, we can choose the customize ribbon option and select the commands from here. Okay. But mostly we don't use this option, file and options. Okay. This was something about Microsoft PowerPoint file menu.